See.
It hurts my feelings.
I know it hurts your feelings.
Tamara's baking class
I just don't even want to be in this group anymore.
is no piece of cake.
I'm dealing with the most difficult thing in my life right now.
I don't know if I get a cake now.
The Real Housewives of Orange County, Thursday on Bravo and Peacock.
Secure everybody!
Sisters? Hey, we said that exactly alike.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maricopa and the Pinal County Emergency Management. Within the past 15 minutes, many reports have been confirmed that multiple creatures that have seemed to resemble Halloween decorations have somehow and mysteriously started to attack people in the cities of Phoenix, Mesa, and Gilbert. It is confirmed that these Halloween decorations have somehow come to life, and are randomly attacking residents around the mentioned cities. As of right now, stores such as Target, Costco, Walmart, and other stores that are selling Halloween decorations will be closed until the situation has been resolved. All residents in these mentioned cities are highly recommended to not go outside until the situation has ended entirely. If you must go outside, you may do so while remaining at high alert. Stay tuned for any more information regarding this situation.
A world of other worlds.
For whatever you love, infinite worlds await.
Y'all know what time it is.
Everybody.
It's gonna be a good year.
Everybody.
Yeah, a girl bike.
Whatever happened to community?
What's the worst?